Welcome to Alliance Door Engineering Training videos. In this video we will be installing our Series 11 inboard motor industrial roller shutter. Mark the flag section to correspond with the back of angles measurements indicated on the drawings. Mark the point at which the hole is to be drilled for the fixings. Ensure the angle is straight. Mark the point at which the hole is to be drilled for the fixings. Then drill the fixing hole. Now attach all the fixings to the full length of the flag. Now measure the back of angles and mark up for the second flag section to be installed. Mark up where the first drill hole is to be made. Attach the flag with one fixing. Now measure the back of angles at the bottom and top to ensure they are positioned correctly as detailed in the drawing. Once happy, mark up and drill the remainder of the fixing holes and attach the remainder of the fixings. Before locating the barrel into position, ensure the safety brake is attached the correct way up. There is an arrow to indicate which way this should go. Offer up the barrel assembly and bolt into position. All fixings are provided for this. It is also key to ensure the safety brake is connected to your control panel or motor. All instructions are located in the manual. It's time to attach the inboard motor. Before attach the motor, ensure the drive shaft is located into the motor correctly as detailed in this clip and bolted into position. Then locate the motor bracket into position and bolt into place. The bolts are fed from behind the bracket as shown in this clip. Finally, locate the sprocket onto the shaft and tighten into position as shown. Offer up the complete motor assembly and bolt into position in the pre-drilled holes on the end plate. Ensure the motor is fixed to the inside of the end plate. All fixings are provided. All fixings are fed from the inside of the end plate to the outside and secured. Once the motor is in position, we can attach the drive chain and align the sprocket. Once this has been completed, you can now fully tighten the motor into position. We now need to start attaching the sections of curtain. Engage the manual override and ensure the fixing holes on the barrel are at the front face of the barrel and connect the motor cables to the panel. Feed the motor power cable through the back of the flag and attach to the power supply. Offer up the top section of lath, feeding it from behind the barrel, and bolt the hangers into position using the fixings provided. Ensure the curtain is located centrally between the angles. Slide in the next section of lath. You will need to open the end locks to allow the next section to slide in. Note the end locks then need to be tapped down to secure the lath in position. You will need to open the shutter to allow for the last section of lath to be attached. Ensure the manual override is disconnected by pulling the green toggle. Now raise the shutter. As before, open up the end lock and locate the next section of curtain. Raise the shutter as we now need to attach the guides. Feed the bottom section of lath into the guide and place the guide into position against the angle. Repeat this on the other side. Fix the guides onto the flag section using countersunk guide screws that are provided. Feed the screw from the inside of the guide to the outside of the flag and fix with the washer and bolt. Repeat this for the other guide section. You may need to open the shutter further to clear the top fixing holes. Then tighten all fixings appropriately. Now attach the chain keep to the flag. Fixings are provided for this. It's time to set the top and bottom limits. Full details are in the TS panel user manual. Now place the canopy into position over the end plates. You will need to use rivets to attach this into place. Ensure the shutter runs smoothly and the limits are set correctly. Finally, attach the CE badge provided. Thank you for watching.